Understanding Academic Discourse, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that is crucial for students, researchers, and anyone involved in higher education: academic discourse. We'll explore what it means, its significance, and how it shapes our understanding of academic work. Whether you're a student, a budding researcher, or just curious about the academic world, this video will shed light on the essence of academic communication. So, let's get started. Academic discourse refers to the ways of thinking and using language that are typical in the academic world. It encompasses the variety of communication forms used in academic contexts, including writing in journals, textbooks, presentations, and discussions in classrooms. The key here is not just about using complex vocabulary but engaging with ideas in a critical, well-structured, and evidence-based manner. It's how scholars communicate their research, debate theories, and build upon the knowledge within their fields. Academic discourse is characterized by several key features: precision and clarity. Every word counts, aiming to convey ideas as clearly and accurately as possible. Formality. A more formal tone is used than in everyday communication, avoiding slang and colloquial expressions. Evidence-based argumentation. Arguments are supported by data, citations, and references, demonstrating engagement with existing research. Objectivity. Maintaining a neutral and unbiased perspective is crucial, focusing on facts and logical reasoning rather than personal opinions. Complexity. Topics are often discussed in depth, involving complex sentence structures and specialized terminology. Understanding these features can help you not only in writing academic papers but also in critically analyzing academic texts. Engaging with academic discourse is essential for several reasons. Develops critical thinking. It encourages you to question, analyze, and synthesize information rather than simply accepting it. Advances knowledge. Through academic discourse, scholars share and challenge each other's work, pushing the boundaries of what is known. Professional development. Mastering academic discourse is key to academic and professional success, particularly in research-based fields. That wraps up our exploration of academic discourse. We hope this video has illuminated the significance and complexity of academic communication. Remember, understanding and participating in academic discourse is a journey, one that enhances your critical thinking, research skills, and professional growth. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't hesitate to dive into the academic conversations in your field. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. This guide is just the beginning. As you engage more with academic texts and communities, you'll develop a deeper understanding and proficiency in academic discourse. Happy learning!